So hi everyone and welcome to my channel The Craft Vibe, your corner for simple and beautiful handmade ideas. So in today's video I am sharing some amazing and creative do-it-yourself craft ideas that you can easily try at home. All the designs are simple, budget friendly and made using easily available material. These crafts are perfect for home decoration and room makeover, festive styling or even gifting purpose. As you can see in this design, this creativity is very clean and attractive. Small details make a big difference in the final look. When you work with patience and focus, even a simple material can turn into something very beautiful. The best thing about do-it-yourself craft is that you do not need expensive item. You can use old material, unused item or basic household supplies. With a little imagination and effort, you can create something unique and stylish. These ideas show how smart arrangement and proper finishing can change the overall appearance. Color combination also plays an important role. You can choose color according to your home theme or personal taste. In the next design, notice how simple structure is enhanced with small decorative elements. Sometimes adding texture, layering or a small pattern can make the craft look more professional and elegant. So guys, if you are a beginners, do not worry, start with simple design and slowly improve your skill. Practice make everything better. Even a small handmade creation bring a special personal touch to your space. Handmade craft also help in reduce waste. Instead of throwing away old item, you can reuse and transform them into useful decor pieces. This not only saves money but also support eco-friendly living. Every idea in this video is meant to inspire you. You can follow the same concept or modify it according to your creativity. Change the size, shape, color or decoration style to match your needs. Crafting is not only about decoration, it is also a relaxing and enjoyable activity. It helps to reduce stress and keeps your mind creative and active. Spending time on creative work gives positive energy and satisfaction. You can use these ideas for decorating your living room or bedroom, balcony, study table or even office corner. Handmade decor always look warm and welcoming. Some design look minimal and modern, while other look traditional and artistic. The choice is completely yours. You can mix different style and create on unique theme. If you are making in this for festival decoration, you can add light, flowers or special color based on the occasion. For daily home decor, keep it simple and elegant. Always remember, neat finishing is very important. Take your time while cutting, sticking or arranging material. Clean edges and proper alignment make the craft look more professional. Creativity has no limit. Even small changes can create a big visual impact. Try new combination and experiment with different material. I truly believe that anyone can create beautiful craft with interest and patience. You do not need professional training. Just start, learn and improve step by step. If you are enjoying these ideas, please support this channel by like this video. Your support motivates to me bring more creative and useful content for you. Subscribe to The Craft Vibe and become part of this creativity journey. Turn on notification so never miss any new craft inspiration. Also share this video with your friend and family who love handmade decoration and creative ideas. Comment below and tell me which design you like the most. Thank you so much for watching and spending your valuable time here. See you in the next video.